আপনার কথার উত্তরে আমার এটুকু বলার অধিকার আছে।
Mamata Banerjee responding directly to Shubhendu Adhikari, the leader of the opposition in the West Bengal Assembly, saying that the onus is on the governor. Mamata Banerjee says, go tell your governor to sign on the bill once it is passed so that it can be executed as a law.
দেশের মধ্যে ছোট রাজ্য মিলিয়ে আমাদের সংখ্যা তৃতীয়, এটা পার্লামেন্টের কোয়েশ্চেনে, লোকসভার কোয়েশ্চেনে দেখে নেবেন। আমি আপনাদের বলি 1913 সালে
Mamata Banerjee speaking out on the new Aparajita bill that has been moved
কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার বহন করতেন
in the Bengal
সেই
Assembly.
টাকা দেয়া বন্ধ করে দিয়েছেন।
Mamata Banerjee says there are 88 fast-track courts that are operational in West Bengal. However, the central government does not pay for the operations of such courts. The centre has stopped funding these courts. Big allegation leveled by the West Bengal Chief Minister against the centre. There are 52 designated courts in West Bengal, says Mamata Banerjee. There are designated 52 courts for women in West Bengal, says Mamata Banerjee. These are details that were shared by the West Bengal government. These are details that were shared by Mamata Banerjee in her letter to Prime Minister Modi. She's reiterating those details once again in the floor of the House. There are 7,000 cases pending, 7,000 cases related to women's issues pending before courts. Mamata Banerjee is now speaking on the infamous Kamduni rape and murder case. Allegations that have been leveled against her government by the opposition. Mamata Banerjee is speaking out on them after those questions were raised by Shubhendu Adhikari.
Charge sheet submitted by CID within 3 weeks.
Mamata Banerjee says that the charge sheet was submitted by the CID, which was probing the Kamduni case, in 3 weeks.
কিন্তু কোর্ট পাস্ট জাজমেন্ট এটা আমাদের হাতে নেই। 30 জানুয়ারি 2016 কোর্টটা তো আমাদের হাতে নেই।
3 years later, in 2016, the court had passed judgment on the matter. Mamata Banerjee says courts are not in our hands, the courts are in your hand.
আমি আপনাদের বলি,
referring to the BJP and the leader of the opposition. Mamata Banerjee says we had demanded death penalty for the rapists in Kamduni case.
3 were charge sheeted. Trial court passed judgment on 30 January 2016.
The court had given
out of 8 living accused, 1 accused expired during trial.
Out of the 8 convicts,
charged with the death penalty. 3
were given death penalty, Mamata Banerjee says, in the Kamduni rape case of 2013.
The state appealed before High Court against the accused of
Mamata Banerjee said that the state government had moved the High Court against the accused.
Trial court convicted
2 were let off.
person also appealed before the Honorable High Court. High Court passed judgment.
Those who were convicted by the trial court, Mamata Banerjee says the state government had moved the High Court.
Death punishment দেওয়ার বদলে দুজনকে দিয়েছিলেন লাইফ কনভিকশন, একজনকে ছেড়ে দিয়েছিলেন।
High Court had given life term to 2 people.
আর
7-year punishment was given to 2 persons, 3 persons.
তার বিরুদ্ধে আমরা এসএলপি সুপ্রিম কোর্টে ফাইল করেছি এবং 9th
Mamata Banerjee says that even an SLP was moved in the Supreme Court on that case.
এটা এখন পেন্ডিং আছে সুপ্রিম কোর্টে। এটা আপনি আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করেছেন।
And it's pending before the Supreme Court. So Mamata Banerjee enumerating her government stance and what actions her government had taken regarding the infamous Kamduni rape incident, which was raised by Shubhendu Adhikari just a short while back. Mamata Banerjee speaking out on it, point by point rebuttal given to the leader of the opposition on the floor of the House. Mamata Banerjee says there was a reference to another case in which a rape incident was reported on a train. Mamata Banerjee says whose jurisdiction is it? Railways. She says it is the central government's jurisdiction. The RPF is responsible and not the state government. Point by point rebuttal to Shubhendu Adhikari's charges. Mamata Banerjee face to face with the leader of the opposition on the floor of the House.
All of the fake news, maximum.
Mamata Banerjee says a lot of fake news is being spread on certain issues.
Misleading information, disinformation, and distorted information, and destructive information, and provocative information, then Speaker has the right to deal it.
Mamata Banerjee hitting out at the opposition, saying there is a lot of fake news being spread and the Speaker must initiate action.
আমি একজন বিধায়ক বলবো বিজেপি, কিন্তু আপনি বলতে বললেন আমি কিন্তু আপনার পার্টির নাম বলতাম না, সরি, এটা আপনি আমাকে বাধ্য করলেন বলতে, কারণ তিনি এখানে প্রেজেন্ট নেইতে বলে নামটা বললাম না, নামটা আমার কাছে আছে। আমি অ্যাসেম্বলি পার্লামেন্টে আমি সিস্টেমটা জানি। ধর্ষিতা মেয়ের বাবাকে তারপর বন্দি অবস্থাতেই হত্যা করেন। ধর্ষকের বাবা মানে ধর্ষক সেই বিধায়ক। মনে করুন আজ থেকে 4 বছর আগে 2020-এ এই সেপ্টেম্বর মাসেই হাতরাসের ঘটনা, যেখানে একটি দলিত মেয়েকে ধর্ষণ করা হয়।
refers to the Hathras rape incident in Uttar Pradesh, with the opposition BJP attacking Mamata Banerjee over other rape incidents in Bengal. Mamata Banerjee refers to the Hathras rape incident in UP, and Mamata Banerjee says it's nothing to glorify.
3 বছরের শিশু আছেন।
Mamata Banerjee refers to the Hathras rape incident in Uttar Pradesh to hit back at the opposition BJP. As there is ruckus in the West Bengal Assembly. There is ruckus in the West Bengal Assembly as soon as Mamata Banerjee refers to Hathras. The BJP MLAs starts protesting. Mamata Banerjee hits back at them, saying, "Do not create ruckus." Speaker intervenes. Ruckus in the West Bengal Assembly. Mamata Banerjee says there is enough for her to speak right now, and the opposition must listen. Mamata Banerjee on the offensive right now. After 3 weeks of being on the back foot, West Bengal Chief Minister trying to be on the offensive inside the floor of the West Bengal Assembly. Mamata Banerjee listing out incidents of rape and crimes against women in BJP-ruled Uttar Pradesh. One by one, she is enumerating the cases of incidents of crime that has taken place in Uttar Pradesh. She is referring to Agra, she is referring to Bulandshahr, she is referring to Hathras. Mamata Banerjee right now on the offensive as the BJP vociferously protests inside the floor of the House. Ruckus, chaos in the West Bengal Assembly as Mamata Banerjee goes on the offensive by raking up various crimes against women in BJP-ruled Uttar Pradesh and now in Maharashtra. Mamata Banerjee raking up crime against women in Maharashtra, in BJP-ruled Maharashtra. Mamata Banerjee raking up Rajasthan, talking about crime against women in Jodhpur. Massive chaos in the West Bengal Assembly right now as the Chief Minister of West Bengal rakes up heinous incidents of crime against women across BJP-ruled states to corner the opposition BJP inside the West Bengal Assembly. Unprecedented scenes in the West Bengal Assembly right now. The BJP protesting vociferously while they are taking part in the debate on the new bill that has been brought in by the West Bengal government.